in the past 1 year, I feel there has been a tremendous change in the company. Secondly, my company was 100% hardcore family oriented business. Like because हम लोग के जितने भी directors हैं and जितने भी elders हैं, like it's a completely family run business. Like my father has 4 brothers and we all youngsters are also there. So it was completely family run. In the last 1 year, I can see that there have been many corporate changes because of Mr. Jagjit Joshi. Secondly, as I just said, I just gave an example that the sales coordination and जो पहले problems होते थे, that has been completely rectified. We were never interested in branding our product, but I feel after now whatever structures we have come out and whatever we have taken some decisions. We meet Mr. Jagdish Joshi every Wednesday and we do come up with new ideas how we want to go ahead and what we seen like in 2012 and 2013, and we have planned our ways. And by the grace of God, we are confident that we will reach there. तो ये जो branding भी हम लोग ने जो की है, dividing, making Jawar as the mother brand and then having sub brands is really helping us to grow each brand individually. Like this time we had an exhibition, ACE-Tech, just like last week, सबको मालूम है. The best response we got for a new brand called Shuts, जो हम लोग ने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि इसका growth इतना ज़्यादा है, which is kitchen cabinets. And now suddenly I am even getting, like we are seeing of exports of FSC wood, which this concept actually was always like a monopoly with us because we are the only FSC certified company. But इतना उसमें potential है वो अभी हम लोग को मालूम पड़ा है after branding EcoWood. First it was under Jawar, उतना उसको recognition नहीं मिल रहा था. But after creating sub brands,
very important.
We feel that इसका growth, and I feel like we all know, like अभी green का इतना awareness है, every paper में go green. I feel by 2030, all buildings are going to be green, which I feel, like you also reading, like every builder wants to do something for the mankind right now. So this EcoWood brand which we have started, like we are supplying everything inside that brand, all FSC certified, जो green में लगता है. To get these lead points, like all buildings का एक structure होता है for platinum and all that, तो उसके lead points मिलते हैं. So I feel all this was not there when only Jawar was functioning. Now Jawar being the mother brand and all these sub brands coming into the picture, our company is growing in all directions. Yeah. So all these changes are there because of Mr. Jagdish Joshi. Yeah.
Once he's entered the company.
Yeah, he's come up with these ideas and we have accepted these ideas. And
he's convincing you about these things.
Yes.
And we are getting convinced.
Also. Yeah, we do have our own arguments.
No, that is always.
And that is always there, but it's all in the good faith of the company. And the plus point what also I feel is that even Mr. Jagdish Joshi have realized that in our thing, this is one thing which the youngsters have started. Nothing to do with the elders. Elders don't interfere. And it's all whatever we decide with Mr. Jagdish Joshi, and whatever we have to decide, we don't need to ask the top management also. तो वो उस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. And all these decisions have happened, and even they are seeing that company is moving towards the right direction. भले अभी वो profits नहीं चालू हुए आने को because it's just a mother baby, it's just been a year. But even they see the growth is there. So all these things do matter.